I've joined square 3 to the first 2 squares. That's what they look like now, and that was using the slightly different method of going through the before chain into the chain that we needed. Again, I haven't fastened off the end. I'm now going to join square 4 along these 2 edges here. Here's square 4, and as before I've just worked down along one side. I'm now going to join these 2 sides to this space using the same method I used to join square 3. As before, taking it through, setting your tension. So as you can see, slightly twisted, but it's going under the 2 chains. Simply slip stitch through. And because we're at a corner, just need to finish this corner with 3 trebles. And another join. So the chain before and into the chain we want, into the chain that splits the sets of 3 trebles, slip stitch. It is awkward because you're trying to keep your work, you're holding your work up, and it starts to get a bit heavy. And another join into the before and into the next. There you go. And another 3 trebles. And we're coming now towards the end of this line. So there we go. Into the final space. And then 3 trebles into the corner. And what we've got to do, we've got to join the last treble, because it's the last treble in this row, in this line, to the last treble in the line on the last square. So I'm going to take it through this penultimate treble, the chain, and in through the 3rd one, slip stitch. Now we're coming down the final side. And what we have to do again is join the first one here to the first one on the other square. So what I'm going to do is link these 2 in this way. I think I can take it through. Let's take it through this one. There you go. And in through the one before and into the one we need. So, actually, no, that's slightly wrong. I can take it in through there, but in through the one. There we go. Hope that makes sense. Explain that. And slip stitch. Then we need to do the 3 trebles. 1. To finish off this corner, 3 trebles before we move on, and a join again into the space. One, 2, 3 trebles. Three trebles into this one, 2, 3, another join, chain before into the chain we want, gets a bit fiddly, but you get there in the end. bring it through. Okay, we're doing the last 3 in this line. And again we have to join the last treble to the last treble in the row. So there you have, take it through there. And there you have it. So all I've got to do now is to finish along that row, that line there, and that finishes off the round, and that has joined square 4 to squares 1, 2 and 3. And you can see it's quite neat and it's quite even. Pull it apart, you can see where the joins are.